Sige po.
Welcome to madecv.com. What is your name and nationality?
My name is Marites Sibiernes.
And you're from?
I'm from Philippines.
How old are you?
I'm 34.
Okay. So, are you single or married?
Married,
You're married.
but separated.
Okay, you're separated. Do you have children?
I have children, 4 children, 2 girls and 2 boys.
2 girls and 2 boys. Where are they now?
They are stay on my parents in Philippines.
Okay. So, when would you be able to start working?
Actually, I finishing on this December 4.
Okay, so after that, you
2000.
can start for a new job.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
So, do you have relatives here in UAE?
Yes, I have.
You have. Okay, so please
Yes.
describe your present job. Describe your present job.
Here in Singapore? Or
Yes, in Singapore. Your present job.
Okay. Okay, actually my job here is send and pick up the babies, the twins, and after that work in the house.
Okay.
Sometimes cook like that.
Okay. So you're looking after how many children?
Twins.
Twins. So only
One
2 children.
one for me and one for them.
Okay.
Yes.
So you're in charge of 1 child. Okay.
Yes.
So and also you're responsible for doing household chores and occasional cooking. Okay.
Yes.
So what do you like most about your present job? What do you enjoy doing? Doing household chores, cleaning, or looking after children?
Cleaning, of course.
You love cleaning. Okay. So no problem.
Yes.
Describe in details how do you perform your tasks for each location in the house. How do you clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, the toilet, and which part of the house are you going to clean first?
Actually, here in the dining, of course, first is ceiling, and if the toilet also
Okay.
is
Okay, you will start from top to bottom.
yeah, tap. Yes.
Okay. So, for the bedroom, how many times in a week do you have to change the bed sheets?
Once a week only.
Once a week.
Every Monday.
Once a week, every Monday. Okay. So
Yes.
how do you maintain the cleanliness of the toilet? How many times do you have to clean the toilet in a day?
Okay, every day.
Every day. How many
Yes.
times? Once, twice, or 3?
Once, ma.
Once a day.
Yes,
Okay.
once a day.
So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
I just close the door, then I check first if who's knocking the door, then not allowed to come in. Go inside.
Okay. So do you know how to cook?
Yes.
What kind of foods you can cook?
Filipino food and sometimes Western food, Chinese food. That's it.
Okay. Can you follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yes, can.
Yes, you can. Okay. Do you know how to operate cleaning equipments like vacuum?
Yes, I can.
How about washing machine and dishwasher? Do you know how to operate them?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So, describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
What about my
Yes.
self?
Yes. What qualities do you have that makes you an outstanding housemaid? Qualities.
Okay. First,
TV.com. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, bye-bye.